Munna is wearing, yeah. It is. He's a Salman fan in the film. He's got, if you see his slum room, it's full of Salman pictures, and he's wants to be an actor. And in fact, when I wrote an early draft, I had actually asked Salman if he could meet Salman in the course of the film. I had sort of built it up that his career, gets to somewhere and all that. Those were all so don't come expecting Salman in the film. He's not there, but he's very much a part of my film in terms of Munna's connection with him. I mean, I think Salman is that actor that appeals to young people all over the country, regardless of their background, in a sense. And I think his popularity is in that sense universal. Yeah, especially I see Salman bracelets in like so many. You drive out on the street and the kids who come and bring you the things to buy will be wearing it. He's a huge, I think, a huge influence on lots of people, and Munna certainly is a huge fan of him. In fact, he has pictures of Katrina as well, because we were shooting at the time when Salman was also seeing Katrina. So we have Katrina, I think we have Aishwarya's eyes, we have all kinds of, he has a collage of, he's a film lover. I mean, he wants to be an actor, and he loves Salman. So yeah, and he works out. वो एक्चुअली स्क्रिप्ट में नहीं वर्क हो रहा था, तो इट वॉजेंट सलमान को लेना नहीं चाह रही थी वो स्क्रिप्ट के दौरान। वो फैन है, और वो हाँ स्पेशल अपीयरेंस जैसा मैं रिक्वेस्ट करने वाली थी कि आप आ जाएं, और वो एक दफ़ा आपके वैन में आके कि साहब हमें कोई काम मिले तो अच्छा, ही इज़ अ स्ट्रगलर। तो पर वो स्क्रिप्ट में बैठ नहीं रहा था, वो पूरा ट्रैक ही निकल गया। शायद ये कहानी, ये इस तरह के स्टोरी टेलिंग जो है ये नई है, और हमें देखना बाकी है कि ये अपील करेगी, लोगों को अच्छी लगेगी या नहीं। इसीलिए हम सबको कहना चाहते हैं कि जिस तरह की कहानी है आप उस तरह की कहानी दिमाग में रख के आएँ, ताकि आपको भी उसे अप्रिशिएट या अंडरस्टैंड या समझने में कोशिश मुश्किल नहीं हो।